Hey Followup family, today I'm going to show you a new feature on how to quickly update projects in bulk. So here you can see you can select multiple projects within the system, and then you'll see this new menu bar. This allows you to either assign it to an individual, so you can come in here and assign it to a person. You can update a field within the system, so you can mass update the sales status or whatever other status or field within the system, within the project page. You can add an activity, add a company, or mass delete files within the system. Deleting will only be for administrators on the account, but this allows you to quickly update several files at once within the system so that you can minimize your administrative work and continue selling. Happy selling!